Hey, fifth graders. Okay, you only have one page to do today like yesterday. We're working on fractions. You know how to do number 3, you know how to do number 4, and you know how to do number 5, all by yourself. So let's do number 6. Let's practice doing some common denominators, okay? So what would the common denominator be? Look, this is number 6, letter A. Let's do this one together. We're going to do B together, and then I'll let you do a couple by yourself, okay? Our common denominators are 9, 3, and 6, right? So what's my common denominator? Okay, the very first thing we do is find the biggest one, 9. Can 3 go into 9? Yes. Can 6 go into 9? Boo, no. Okay, let's try 9 times 2, 18. Can 3 go into 18? Yes. Can 6 go into 18? Yes. So what's our common denominator? 18. Okay, here we go. 18, 18, 18. Okay, so what do we do here? We go 9 times 2 is 18, so 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 6 is 18, so 1 times 6 is 6. Make sure you're doing this on your paper with me. 6 times 3 is 18, so 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 15 is 25 over 18. Then we have, now look, we have 18 into 25. We cannot have 25 over 18, you guys, we have to divide. So we're gonna put 1 right here, this is 18, this is 7, so it's 7 over 18. So I'm gonna put that over here, 7 over 18, right? This is gone now. And put my 1 right here. Okay. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 7 is 11, plus 6 is 17. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So my answer is 137 and 7/18. Let's look over here. 2 and 9. What's going to be my common denominator? Okay, well, start out with our biggest denominator, 9. Can 2 go into 9? Nope. 9 times 2, 18. Can 2 go into 18? Yes. So what's my common denominator? 18. Okay? 2 times 9 is 18, so 1 times 9 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so 5 times 2 is 10. You guys know what I'm doing there, right? I go 2 times 9 is 18, so 1 times 9 is 9. You have to have whatever you multiply here to get 18, you have to multiply up here to get your numerator. 9 times 2 is 18, so 5 times 2 is 10. That's what I'm doing. Okay, well, look at this. Now we have a big problem. 9 minus 10 is not possible. And don't put a 1 here. I'm watching you. Okay? You gotta borrow. This becomes 6. And we have to add, what up here do we have to add? The denominator. So it's gonna be 18. So here we go. This is 27 over 18. 27 minus 10 is 17 over 18. 16 minus 9 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. 27 and 7/18. How about go ahead and do letter E by yourself. Remember that you have to set it up vertically. Letter E. So go ahead and write it like I'm going to write it. And try it by yourself. Letter E. Here we go. 3½ minus 1 3/4. Okay, what are you going to get as your answer? Go ahead and try it. Okay, you ready? We're going to get 4 as our common denominator. How, Miss Jessica? You start out with your biggest one, which is 4. Can 2 go into 4? Yes. So that's easy. 4 is your answer. 2 times 2 is 4, so 1 times 2 is 2. 4 is the same, so 3 is your answer, right? You had to press star, so that's 2, and this is plus 4, so that equals 6 over 4. 6 minus 3 is 3/4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And your answer is 1 3/4. Okay? Look at number 7. These are the last ones we're going to do together today. Number 7. Angie bought 2/3 dozen donuts. I'm just going to show you how to set it up. 2/3 dozen donuts. How many donuts did she buy? 2/3 of a a dozen is 2/3 times 12. That's what you gotta do on your paper. 2/3 times 12. Okay, letter B. Tyler bought a book that was damaged. The original cost of the book was $12.95. He got 1/5 off because it was slightly bent during shipping. What was the cost of the book? Okay, he bought a book que estaba dañado. El precio original era $12.95. Pero él recibió un descuento de 1/5. ¿Qué necesitamos hacer? Necesitamos saber cuál es 1/5 of $12.95 and restar. So we go 1/5 of $12.95, which means what do we have to do? Divide 5 into $12.95. Help me out, Danielita. 5 into 12? 2, 10, 29. 5 into 29, Danielita? 5. Para punto, 5. 25, 45. 5 into 45? 9. $2.59 is the descuento. So what do you have to do with that? Subtract it from the original price. $12.95 minus the descuento to get your answer. Do it. Look at letter C. What is the probability that the spinner will stop on an even number? Okay, remember probability. Probability, first of all, is the number of possible. How many possible even numbers are there on the spinner? Even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There are, perdón, how many numbers are possible? Ay, no, qué pena. How many numbers are possible? 8. And how many even numbers are possible? 4. So it's 4 out of 8 is your probability. The total of possible, and then the number that you're of the ones that you're looking for. Can you reduce that? Yeah, go ahead and reduce it for me, Dwayna. 1/2. There you go. The rest is up to you. You guys have a great day. Work hard. Thanks.